In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make presentation in PowerPoint. First, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. From the official Microsoft result, launch PowerPoint and sign in with your account so your work is saved and you can access it anywhere. On the home screen, choose Create Blank Presentation to open a fresh slide deck with a title slide ready to edit. You're now in the editing view. To change the slide background, right-click the canvas and open the background options. Move your cursor to Solid Fill, click the small arrow next to it, and pick a color you like. As soon as you choose a color, the background updates so you can see how it looks with your content. If you ever change your mind, you can return here and select a different color. To add an image, go to the Insert tab and choose Pictures, then this device. Browse your computer, select a photo from your gallery, and click Open. The picture drops onto your slide. Resize it by dragging the corner handles so it stays proportional, and drag it to position it where you want. High-resolution images look best and won't appear blurry when projected. PowerPoint can also help with layout. On the right side, you may see design suggestions. Scroll through the ideas and pick a style that fits your content. Click a suggestion to apply it instantly. This is an easy way to get a clean, professional look without manual formatting. Next, edit the title. Click the title placeholder, type your text, then select it to format. Choose a font style from the font list to match your theme. Adjust the size using the arrow next to the font size, and change the font color by opening the color menu and picking a shade that contrasts with your background for better readability. When you're ready to add more content, insert a new slide. Go to Insert and select New Slide. A second page appears, and you can begin building it just like the first. From Insert, you can add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Click the item you need, and PowerPoint will place it on the slide for you to adjust. To bring everything to life, add transitions. Open the Transitions tab and browse the options. Select the one you want to apply it to the current slide and preview the effect. That's it. You've built a polished PowerPoint presentation ready to share.